So, I'm in the process of propagating my jade plant and I needed a container to put it in. So I made this simple 75mm tubed planter with drip tray. The planter has holes in the bottom, of course, for drainage. It also is reinforced on all the corners with fillets, and it also has a draft angle on all the walls to allow for roots to slide in and out easier when you're replanting. The drip tray has a slot in the back to allow for evaporation to happen and airflow. The planter and drip tray just made together with this chamfer that goes all the way around. As you can see here, it just slides right into place. That's a little bit better. The slot in the back looks like this when it's assembled. You can just put that in the back if you don't like it. Okay, jade plant is in. Now let's try the water. Okay, let's give it a few minutes here. Yep, you can see the drip tray is filling up. Everything is working according to plan. So the only problem I can see with this is there's an artifact left here from printing, which might be due to the thin wall size. I'm not entirely certain. I could just change that by thickening up the wall size potentially. Besides that though, I don't see any problems. So update, I made a new planter with thicker walls and you don't see that defect anymore. So it seemed to be the thinness of the walls. I will upload this model as well, along with the previous model, to a website for you to download if you want to. It's open source. If you wanted to, you could even add a logo or something to this. It's a very simple design. There are some other ones that are similar but not the same, so I figure this might add something. Like I said, I'm just making this open source. That concludes this video. Hopefully I've earned a like, share, or subscription. It really helps out the channel if you do. If you enjoyed this video, you may enjoy one of these videos as well. Let me know how I'm doing in the comments down below. Thank you for watching.